Hi guys, I'm just going to show you a little video of a solution we found today. This is the first time it's popped up and it's relatable towards the CarPlay app or Z-Link app, which is this one here. So what tends to happen is your CarPlay, your sound, your sound works fine in terms of when you're using Spotify and SoundCloud and all that, but when you try to make a phone call, you'll get the dial-in tones which you can hear in the background, but you get actually no sound on the incoming phone call. As you can see, we can't hear anything coming through. So when you look at this, you have a selection of CarPlay speaker iPhone. So let me just end that. So the only way we found a solution to this, oddly enough, is going back to the, 1 second, sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, going back to the original Bluetooth, pair the phone there. Let me just double check it's paired. So it's now connected to there. Now going back to the Z-Link, and because it's connected there, if I do another call again, so you see it pops up there now as CarLink, blink, and then you can hear it there. So it might be useful to you guys if this is what the issue you're having doing, but obviously that's the way around it anyway. Good luck, bye bye.